let's talk about a word you hear all the time: quality. It's slapped on everything, right? Cars, coffee, you name it. But what does it really actually mean? Well, we're going to demystify it with a simple but incredibly powerful definition that might just change how you see, well, everything. Let's get into it.
All right, so what does quality really mean? When a company tells you they have a quality product, what are they actually saying? Is it just a fluffy marketing term that means good? Or is there something more to it, something we can actually pin down and measure? It feels so vague most of the time, but it really doesn't have to be.
And here's the answer. It's actually beautifully simple. Quality has two parts. It's about meeting the design requirements and the customer requirements. It's not one or the other. It's got to be both, working together perfectly.
And this isn't just some clever idea I cooked up. It's a really solid core concept. By defining quality this way, we take it out of the realm of subjective feelings and turn it into something clear, something you can actually act on. It's short, it's complete, and it's going to be our guide for the rest of this explainer. So let's break that down. We're going to start with that first half of the equation, the design requirement. You can think of this as the technical side of things, the objective stuff. It's all about the what and the how.
The design requirement is basically the blueprint. It's the technical specs, the things you can measure, test, and prove. These are the cold, hard facts about whatever is being made. Was it built according to the plan? Does it perform exactly how it's supposed to? There's no room for opinion here. It either meets the spec or it doesn't. Simple as that.
Okay, let's make this super real with a simple coffee mug. The design requirements are things you can literally test in a lab. Does it hold exactly 12 ounces of liquid? Can that handle take 5 pounds of force without snapping off? Is the glaze certified as non-toxic? These are all just simple pass-fail questions based on the blueprint.
But here's the thing. A technically perfect mug isn't always a good mug, is it? So now we have to look at the second, equally important pillar, the customer requirement. This is the human side of the equation. This is all about the why. The customer requirement is all about the user's experience. What problem are they trying to solve with this thing? How does it actually feel to use it? This part is subjective, it's personal, and it's completely focused on the person who's going to be using it day in and day out. It really just answers the question, hey, is this what you wanted? So back to our trusty mug. The customer needs are totally different. Is the handle actually comfortable to hold in a real human hand? Is the base stable enough that you're not going to knock it over first thing in the morning? Do you even like the color? And here's a big one. Does the darn thing actually fit under your coffee machine? These things are every bit as important to its quality as its heat resistance. Okay, so we have the blueprint, the technical spec, and we have the person, the customer's need. Now let's see why, if you only have one of these, you're pretty much guaranteed to fail. This is where the whole definition really starts to shine. And this just lays it out perfectly, right? On one side, you've got design only. It's a technical masterpiece that can survive a 10-foot drop, but it's ugly and the handle's awful. That's a technical success, but a total market failure. On the other side, customer only. Everyone adores the color and the feel, but the handle snaps off. It's exactly what the market wanted, but it's a technical failure. So the main takeaway is this. True quality isn't about picking one or the other. It's the fusion of both. You absolutely have to have the technical brilliance of the design requirement combined with the human-centered satisfaction of the customer requirement. One without the other is what I'd call a high-quality failure. Okay, so this isn't just some abstract theory. This definition is a practical tool. It's a new toolkit you can start using right now, whether you're building something, managing a team, or honestly, even just shopping for a new vacuum cleaner. It's a super simple 3-step process. Step 1, figure out the design requirements. What are the hard specs? Step 2, figure out the customer requirements. Who is this for, and what do they actually need it to do for them? And finally, step 3, evaluate. Does it successfully nail both? If the answer is yes, then congratulations, you've achieved true quality. So, I'll leave you with a little challenge. Now that you have this definition, start looking at the products and services you use every single day. Can you spot the ones that are these amazing technical marvels that nobody really wants? Or how about the ones that are super popular, but, they're kind of junky and break all the time? Once you start seeing the world through this lens of design and customer requirements, I promise you, you will never look at quality the same way again.